Hi there, my name is Hussam. I'm an architect and a professional 3D artist. I'd like to welcome you to learn 3D Max and Vray course Making of the Museum. This course is step-by-step walkthrough that pushes your 3D renders to the next level. We will start from the basics by importing the plans. Then I will show you how to take advantage of 3D Max powerful tools to model the walls, curtain wall, glass, decor elements and the whole project. You can download our training materials and practice as we go. Then we're gonna take advantage of Vray tools to create materials and lighten the scene. Finally, the post-production phase with Photoshop, adjust the contrast, the lighting, the mood effect, and finally the vignetting. This is a step-by-step from A to Z course designed for beginners and for those who have limited time but still want to become better. By the end of this course, you will gain necessary knowledge and skills to produce realistic 3D images. So let's get to it and I will see you in the next lesson.